Hello my lovely people, Raquel is my name again. Welcome back to my channel. I have been really super excited because I got an email by someone asking me, do you have any other remedies that you can have at home if I don't have money, if I don't have time, my baby's crying, like I really don't have no time to go and start looking for those products, what can we use? That email today is gonna be answered. I say, okay, this is what you can do. I have lavender as for me, as Raquel, at my home, as a remedy for myself, for my skin, and I also have aloe vera. This is gonna be revealing all my beauty secrets, and I say it's Raquel's channel. I am the CEO of this channel, and I said I'm gonna keep it real, keep it simple, and just straight away, let's get started. As a rule, I have to keep it really very professional. Have a glass of water. And what did I put in my water today? My flavor is some slices of lemon, and cheers to that. But you can also have some slices of carrots, you can have slices of cucumber, you can have all different sorts of according to your preference. Before I go into any details, remember it's on everybody's tongue. The humble, the mighty, big and small, men and women, rulers and the ruled ones, they are all trying to find anti-aging. So if you have Raquel and she is a professional and she's willing to give you the benefits and all revealing the secrets, guys, you have to be very thankful. So I have decided to show you what I usually sometimes use if I want to leave my aloe vera grow a little. I have some what they call the mask from aloe vera. It's called Aloe water balm. It's very transparent inside, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it very well inside. It's very transparent, and it's yeah, you know, the smell, sorry guys, the smell of it is very pleasant. It's not very strong. And before we go any further, well, I just want to show everything on camera. I'm just gonna use a small towel, do like the normal things like how I usually professionally do it at home. So this is just, I have already washed my face, but just to show you, you know, sometimes people, they believe by seeing. I have nothing on my face. Once that is done, I get the tonic water. Just to make sure like there is no any excess of any makeup or anything left on my skin. Remember, I showed you all that in my previous videos. And once all that is done, because I love my lips to be very moisturized, I'll have some of the aloe vera lip therapy. And once that is done, I'll get my scissor, cut a little bit of it, take off the thorns here, and as you can see, it looks a little bit tricky, but then for me it doesn't really give me any issues. It does not really have any bad smell. And you just take this, I have my mirror in front of me here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna massage it around my face, and I'll have to be very gentle around my eyes. So trust me guys, your skin will love the aloe vera, the natural aloe vera. But also, if you don't have where you can have the natural aloe vera. That's why I brought the alternative. You can have the mask. How does the mask look like? It's very transparent. I have I'll use the knife that I used to cut here, just such that I can show you how it looks like, for those who don't know how the aloe vera gel looks like. And if you want to use the aloe vera gel, you can use the same. It will also do the same, but you can find the one which is 100% aloe vera water from aloe vera. This is 96%, but there are those that are 100% with aloe vera. So this is just a little bit of the gel that I would like to show you. You can just add on a little bit of it. Just showing you for those who are having the mask. So I'm using this mask to leave your skin very hydrated, well hydrated. For those who are having very dry skins, Jesus Christ, you will look for me and I'll be like, I told you. Just leave it on for about 15 minutes and you will go and wash it off. And the other thing that I'm gonna be letting you know is gonna be what are the other benefits of aloe vera. What do you get from aloe vera? For example, you have babies, people normally who are having babies, babies tend to have very dry skins. They usually tend to have very itchy skins. You can just cut a little bit of it and just rub it, put it around the baby's skin, or even for us, the old people, like not the old people, of course, the grown-ups. You can apply aloe vera anywhere on your skin, wherever you're having where you feel like, oh my god, I feel I want to have something better than what I have. So for me, I use aloe vera because I love very soft hands, nice looking hands. I use aloe vera as well on my hands, and I leave it on for about the same 10 to 15 minutes, and I will wash it off, and then definitely I'll put the serum or I will put the night cream, depends on the time of that day. But basically this is it, or this is what I usually use the aloe vera for. And please do me a favor, have the aloe vera in your homes. So I cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much again for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna be giving you some more details on why would you have the aloe vera and lavender at home. And basically we're gonna keep it real here and keeping it very simple. I promise to you there are no secrets here. And those people who are having acne problems as well, Jesus Christ, what more can I tell you? Your question has been answered with aloe vera. Thank you so much again. Raquel is my name, and let me enjoy my water as I am enjoying my aloe vera mask, and I will be washing it off in a couple of minutes. And guys, thank you so much again. I love you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe and liking and sharing. Leave a comment below my section and I'll be getting back to you. You can also follow me on Snapchat, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I put so many remedies, and I put so many things that I usually use. So cheers guys.